Okay guys, today I have another project to show you. This is my Twitter bot that based on mentions adds Spotify songs to a Spotify playlist. So if you add a specific Twitter account, it will go to that mention and see if there's a link or Spotify URI in that mention, and if it is, it will add it to one of your playlists that you will set up here. So first of all, the first thing you should do is to check out this tutorial on how to get a Twitter bot working. I took basically this example from him. Great video showing you how you make a basic Twitter bot. I took it and I merged it with I guess this tutorial, which is just how to get started with a Spotify Python API called Spotify. So if you set up your project like that in your depository, you should be good to go to just run this script, I think. So first of all, you need to fill out your keys for your Spotify and for your Twitter. But I think this is mentioned in the videos. Go check them out first, give them a like, and then get back to this to complete the project, I guess. So what this actually does is that it, I guess you can see that this is basically the functions the guy with the Twitter bot had. I modified it a bit with some replies to, I guess, troubleshoot what happened if it couldn't add the track to the playlist. But yeah, this is like the Twitter bot, the Twitter part of it. And here's the Spotify part. I'm also checking if you must follow the Twitter account in order to, I guess, in order for it to put it in the playlist. You can remove this, I'm sure, but I thought it was a good idea, so I added that. This is just some processing about the link or the tweet to get the link. And I don't know if I should go into this too much. This is just like a video explaining what it does, so you can use it. You don't really have to know what's going on under the hood. I'm not sure what's going on because I wrote this some time ago and I don't really remember what the fuck I did. So I add some error handling, or I guess just troubleshooting help with some prints here and there. But otherwise, it's pretty straightforward. It's text processing to retrieve the link, and then it adds the link to the playlist here. And I had some trouble when uploading this, because the folder I had had a bunch of node files and PyCache and stuff like that, and I don't really know where those came from. I think it might come from when you install the Spotify API, and it should probably make those folders for you in order to work. If you can't get this to work, write a comment below and I will sort it out. I just don't have time right now. But anyhow, pretty basic script, but it can be a lot of fun. You can use it to create community playlists, or I don't know, make an account there where friends can send you songs and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and as I said, if you have any problems, it is working for me. If it isn't working, try to make sure that you have installed the Twitter API and Spotify correctly, and you can use them. And if the script still doesn't work, write a comment, I will check it out. I will see what I can do. Maybe it's I who have made those weird folders. I don't remember. So thanks for watching, and next video is going to be about AI and AI in games. I think I will start with some Gym OpenAI, and yeah, it should be a lot of fun. So subscribe if that sounds interesting, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.